There's a truck that people say follows you. You drive down a quiet country road, and suddenly it's behind you. Park at a store, it's across the lot. Take a detour, it's there too, always just out of reach. Clean, silent, perfectly maintained. No license plates scratched off, no signs of who owns it. Some swear it's never parked the same way twice. People whisper it's a ghost truck. Others say it chooses its owner. Slowly, deliberately, like it knows who deserves it. Mechanics talk about seeing it appear in places it shouldn't exist. And no matter where you go, no matter how far, it always finds a way to appear. Some machines aren't meant to be caught. Some mysteries aren't meant to be solved.